Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's quick video, I am going to show you something a lot of people searching for but still get confused about. That is how to make your Windows 11 taskbar completely clear. Not just transparent but actually clear. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. There are a lot of videos on the internet showing the same method. They tell you open settings, go to personalization, then colors, and then turn on the transparency effects option. But is that really going to give you a clear taskbar? Let's talk honestly. When you turn on transparency effect, Windows does not make your taskbar clear. It only makes the taskbar slightly transparent with a frosted blur. That's why you can't actually see your wallpaper clearly through it. It looks softer, it looks bit translucent, but it's not a clear taskbar. This setting is only for subtle visual effect, not full transparency. So if you have been trying this and wondering why your taskbar still isn't fully clear, it's because Windows simply doesn't offer that option yet. To get fully transparent, crystal clear taskbar, you need a small tool called Translucent TV. This is the official and free app that needs to be downloaded from Microsoft Store. Just go ahead, open up Microsoft Store and search for Translucent TV. Just make sure you're logged in with your Microsoft account in Microsoft Store. Now just go ahead, click Get and install this app on your PC. Once it launches, you instantly notice that the taskbar becomes fully transparent. If your taskbar doesn't look transparent right away, just go ahead and open Translucent TP app from your Microsoft Store, or you could also go ahead and search it here, Translucent TB. Once it's open, you could go ahead and click here, and here you will get different options. And that's all about today's quick video. We first saw, we first saw why the built-in Windows settings don't work and then the actual method to give you a truly clear taskbar using Translucent TV app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to ITPK for more honest and easy Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.